You know, I've sat on the circuit bench now for 15 years. I was a former prosecutor for a couple of terms. I've even worked as a defense attorney for a period of time as well, and I've never seen a case of child abuse this bad. And when I saw the injuries to those boys, it was evident to me that it wasn't a situation where you got, you know, really out of control for a period of time. You hit a child and there's a bruise. This was systematic, almost torture. I mean, those boys were so badly beaten that you even knew they had to put diapers on them at 11 and 12 years old to cover the ongoing oozing wounds that were on their bodies. You'd take a piece of wood and you make them go to the garage and pick out the piece of wood that you would systematically beat them with. Kept those kids in a way where they wouldn't report. And as a consequence of that, they were beaten and scarred for life. So the courts have a sentencing guideline range of 135 months to 225 months. That computes out to a minimum sentence, recommended sentence of 11 years to 18.75 at the high end of the guidelines. I certainly see no reason to sentence you on the low end of the guidelines. And I want you to think about something when you go to prison for a long time in this. You had to formulate a requisite state of mind to routinely beat and beat and beat these boys. Your one son was so psychologically damaged that he tried to commit suicide with a dog leash. I said, you know, you've scarred these boys physically and emotionally for the rest of your life. So I'm imposing a sentence of 20 years to 40 years with credit for 707 days.